Pagkatapos, pinabiopsy yung sa leeg. Pagkatapos po, baka daw hindi po makuha sa gamot. So sabi po niya, kailangan daw operahan. Okay? O ito yung tatandaan nyo. You can actually check on the video ng Quantumin Plus na may goiter patient. And the goiter patient actually had a very, very huge goiter dito. As in, ganito kalaki. Okay? Actually, when I first saw the patient back in Lipa, syempre, even ako, medyo doubtful ako if there is something that can be done or if the product can actually help the patient. So, ang una ko sinabi sa kanya is actually, in-explain ko, she actually has to change her diet, improve on her diet, improve on her lifestyle. And then, sabi ko nga sa kanya, you can try taking the Quantumin Plus. Yung usual naming dose is 5 to 10 drops, but maybe para mag-grow yung goiter mo na ganyang kalaki, you actually have a very serious deficiency of minerals or deficiency of vitamin C, or you actually have a lot of toxins inside your body that has accumulated over the years. Okay? So alam nyo, nakinig naman siya. And I was not expecting a miracle with her. Surprisingly, after about 3 months, I saw her on YouTube. And yung nakaluwa niya na mata, wala na. Yung bulging na eyes, wala na. And completely, yung goiter niya was normal in size. Wala kang makikitang any enlargement sa liig niya. Okay? So, marami pang ibang patients na ganyan. Siyempre, yung mas maliit ang bukol, mas mabilis maka-recover. Like, there was another patient back in Davao. Okay? The patient had a thyroid enlargement din. Pero hindi naman ganun kalaki. Medyo parang half lang nitong kamao, half nitong fist. Okay? So, she was prepared for surgery. She was given all the requests para sa chest x-ray and all the blood tests just to make sure that she can tolerate the operation. Okay? Pero while waiting, medyo pumunta ng stage yung doktor niya. While waiting, she was offered Quantumin Plus. So the distributor offered her the Quantumin Plus. Ang sabi sa kanya, if you're undergoing surgery, mas maganda yung medyo nakaredy yung katawan mo for the surgical procedure kasi yung exposure nun, yung stress ng katawan, and also to somehow ensure na yung recovery niya mas maganda. So, she started taking it. She started actually na in-apply din niya topically doon sa tumor. And then, after about a month, dumating na yung doktor niya for surgery. Okay? And she was followed up. Alam niyo yung doktor nga niya is actually one of my medical students when I was still in the teaching school. Okay? So, nung dumating yung doktor, in-examine yung pasyente. So, sabi ng pasyente, parang di mapakali yung doktor. Pero he was just very honest. Sinabihan niya yung pasyente, I don't think you still have your goiter. So, I don't think we have to proceed to your surgery. So, hindi na siya inoperahan kasi hindi na makita ng doktor kung nasaan yung thyroid na dating nakita niya na goiter. Okay? So, nang nagtanong yung doktor niya, sabi niya, anong ginawa mo? Yung pasyente, pinakita yung produkto. And then sabi, ano to kay Doktora Maceda daw to Biglang sabi niya, ay, teacher ko yan. Actually, ninang niya ako sa kasal. So, sabi niya, ay, kilala ko yan. O sabi niya, o sige, you just continue with it kasi mukhang nakatulong naman sa'yo. Okay? The nice thing with him, I'm very happy that he was honest enough to tell the patient na the patient doesn't need any surgery anymore. Diba? So, I'm very thankful for that. Okay? O, medyo marami kayong natutunan doon sa goiter.